Alright guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'll show you a secret code that will make your battery life much more stronger. So as you can see, I entered a secret code and it showed me with these options that you see in front of you. These options are not accessible by your settings. So all you need to do is watch the video, enter a secret code, and then I'll show you how to improve the battery life of your phone. Alright guys, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all safe and sound. Now before we head into the tutorial, I just wanted to thank all of my friends and subscribers that commented on my previous video. If you want your comment to be shown in the next video, all you need to do is like this video, share it, and don't forget to comment below, and you will have your comment for sure shown in the next video. So with that being said, let's head into the tutorial and I'll show you what you need to do. Now disclaimer and warning, now this works on most phones, but if your phone is having some issues, please do this on your own risk, since this will actually make it worse than actually improve it. So with that being said, the first thing you need to do is turn on developer mode on your Android phone. Now in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the settings application and then drop down until you see about phone, tap on about phone, and then either tap on build number or tap on version and then tap on build number 7 times, and you will see a notification telling you that developer mode is turned on your phone. Now once you see that, all you need to do is close the application, close the setting application, and then go back to your home screen. And this is very important, you need to go and restart your phone. Now this is important because it actually resets the cycle count of your battery life, making this tutorial work 100%. Because the cycle count of battery is very important and you need to reset it before inputting this code. So just make sure to restart your phone and wait for the restart to finish. And if you guys are enjoying this content, it will mean the world to me if you guys like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So like I said, if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And by the way guys, if you enter this code and if it doesn't work on your phone, make sure to stick till the end because I have a different code for different phones such as Samsung or LG. It will work for sure on your video. So as you can see, I entered a different code on the Samsung device and it worked properly. So let's go back to this one. I'm gonna enter the secret code, the first secret code that you need to do. It works on most MTK CPUs or processors. All you need to do is go to your phone application and tap on star hashtag 3646633 and then hashtag star, and it will prompt you with these options, these secret options that you don't usually have access to. Now there's a lot of settings and options here. Ignore all of them because these are very important not to touch. These are all default settings made by your Android phone. So ignore all of them and then tap on the 4th or the 5th option that says background data select. So on mine is the 5th option, on yours it could be the same. Just tap on that and then make sure to tap on select. Okay, make sure to turn that on. Now this will prevent your Android phone from background data refreshing all the apps that are on your phone. So let's first double check to see if this worked, because sometimes it doesn't work on the first run. So just make sure to type in the same code in your phone application once again. Like I said, star hashtag 3646633 hashtag star. Just double check to see if the option is turned on. Like I said, it doesn't work on the first one sometimes. So after you double check, like I said, this will disable or prevent your phone from making the app refreshes on every application on your phone, and this will result in your battery life from not being used that much, and then obviously it will have an improvement in your day-to-day usage. It will also result in making your phone faster, by the way. Now you might need to turn this on for individual apps, such as, like, for example, if you want your Facebook to be refreshed in the background, just go to your app management, go to the Facebook application, tap on data usage details, and then turn that on. So with that being said, like I said, some codes don't run on every phone. Now if your phone is a Samsung or an LG or any other phone that the first code did not run, make sure to enter this code. Like I said, it's also important for you to restart your phone. So I'm going to restart my Samsung or my Android phone here, wait for the restart to finish, and I'll show you what the code is. So let's wait for the application or for the phone to first finish restarting, and after it's finished I'll show you what you need to enter. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this code is because actually not all phones come with MTK CPUs, and therefore not all phones have the same code to be run on. Okay, So the phone is now finished restarting. I'm gonna unlock it and then I'm going to open the phone application. Oh, and by the way, it's important for you to have your phone Wi-Fi turned off. Okay, so just turn that off, go to your phone application and enter this secret code, which is *#0228#, and it will prompt you with a secret menu that's going to be shown to you like this. Now you need to tap on start and make sure to check your battery percentage, because once you do this it usually drops down around 10 to 20%. So tap on OK, and then mine was on 56%. It should be on 46, I think. If not, it should be less. Now if it drops down, it means that it actually works. So don't worry if you see the battery percentage dropping down on your phone. This is actually a sign of this working. Now after you do that, you need to restart your phone once again. This will completely make this tutorial work properly, because like I said, refreshing the cycle count of your battery has a lot to do with the restarting of your phone. So as you can see, it's now at 46%, and after you've done this, you will see a significant change in the battery percentage of your phone. It will most likely result in a few hours of usage per day. So if you're facing any issues while inputting the codes in your phone application, or if it doesn't work, just make sure to comment below, tell me what your phone brand is, and I'll show you what you need to do, because you might have a phone that none of these codes worked on, and I'll show you how to make those phones work in the secret code as well. Now with that being said, if you're having any other issues, just make sure to comment below. I'll be sure to help you out. And if you want to have unlimited storage on your Android phone, make sure to watch this video that you're seeing in the right hand side screen. It's completely free. It will give you unlimited storage on any phone. It even works on iPads, iPhones, computers, Windows, Macs, anything that crosses your mind. This application is available for it. It's called Google Photos. Make sure to watch the full video to know how you'll be able to get unlimited storage for photos and videos. This will help you largely in storing all of the data that are on your phone, and you will no longer be shown with a notification that says low storage. Okay, so make sure to watch this video. The link is in the description. It's also in the card shown to you on the front of the screen, so just make sure to watch that. And I appreciate you taking the time in watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.